Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, do you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right. So how about you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm alright.
Oh, that's pretty good. I'm very happy to see you from Bangladesh, and it's Sunday. So happy Sunday, and I think it's here Saturday night, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a Saturday. Sunday over there?
Yeah, it's Sunday morning time.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
All right. So how was your day?
It was okay. I took my kids out today,
Yeah.
and then it was busy. Yeah.
Busy with your personal work?
I'm busy with my kids. I took them to like 2 different places, the library, and then I took them to go play games. Yeah, and then I had to go drop off some clothes.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, that's cool. You know what? I am getting too much worry because of the situation of Bangladesh. We are going to face a financial recession within a few years. We got really excessive rainfall in Bangladesh in this year, and therefore all kinds of land just filled with the water. If we couldn't this kind of rain, and we would have really a good place to plant the new crops by now.
That is scary.
I have just made a decision.
A decision on what?
Yeah, the decision is, I have to buy everything for my family necessary needs. So I have some land and where I want to grow crops and all kinds of vegetables. I will just plant. How about that?
Oh, that's nice. That's a smart decision.
Yeah, all right. Last year, I used to plant lots of crops and we sold some crops at the same time. I supported my family also. It was really good fun having a garden.
Oh, that's good. So you already started a garden?
Yeah, last 3 years I have been doing this work, but in this year it was quite late due to the excessive rainfall.
Oh, wow. That's nice. I've been wanting to start a garden too, but I feel like it's a lot of work.
Do you have any spare land for gardening?
Like experience? No, I don't have experience. I have 3 trees, but I suck at it. I suck at keeping maintenance.
Yeah. Did you change your name?
My name? Yeah, I changed it.
Oh gosh. You know what? I am just talking to you here right now, and I'm just thinking, oh no, is that my friend? And I was really quite confused. You changed your name. So as I said to you,
Oh, yeah.
as I said to you, I use this conversation on my 2 platforms, Facebook and YouTube. But did you watch your video? I uploaded maybe a day before.
Yeah, I watched it.
Yeah,
I
all
watched
right.
it.
Thank you. I'm very fond of learning English, so sometimes I just read article, and if I find any unknown words, I jot down and I try to implement those unknown words whenever I get any guest through this platform.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
But you looks very dazzling. Very dazzling.
Oh, thank you.
Do you have any skincare?
No, I don't. And you said you had a girlfriend here in the United States, right?
Yeah,
How's she doing?
I had back in 2016, but I lost her by COVID.
That's sad.
I think you got married to a Malaysian guy, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you're gonna travel?
All right. I'm not gonna use this content for this time just because I'm not really happy with this content. The reason is my heart wants to explore going to the different communities, and that's the way I want to work out.
I know it's harder when you go to like a different country just because it's more like security, more work,
All right.
packing, and just like a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, 100%. But once I got an American woman, she just taught me how to travel as well. She really traveled across the globe, like 70, 80 countries, and she got really enough educated. Not only enough, it was really super experienced. My warm welcome to you. And if you try to come in Bangladesh, so let me know. I will do help you.
Let you know. I will definitely let you know if I go over there. I would definitely want to travel over there.